Good morning, children. In the last class, we learned solid around us, lesson 2. So, in that, what all we learned, once again I will go through that. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. First one, a square has dash sides, that is 4 sides. All 4 sides of the square are equal. In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. A triangle has 3 sides. A circle is bounded by a curved line. The object with flat surface will slide. The object with curved surface will roll. The object with both flat and curved surface will slide and roll. 8, I think so, we learned in the last class. Okay, today again we will continue same. The 2 dimensions are dash, length and breadth. The 3 dimensions are length, breadth and height. Okay, children, we will go to second main. Write the 2 dimensional shapes. Write the 2 dimension dimensional shapes. Today we will learn about it. First one, what they are given is, what is this, children? This is what we will call this as square. What is this, children? It is square. A square has four sides. Square has 4 sides. All the sides of the square are equal. So, all the sides of the square are equal. Okay, children, we learned a square has 4 sides. All the sides of the square are equal. Like that only rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. The opposite sides are equal. What is this? This is rectangle. In this one, all rectangle has 1. So here also 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. In rectangle also 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 sides. Opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. See, these are the opposite sides. So we have to write opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. See here, all 4 sides are square are equal. Here opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Next one is triangle. What is this? It is a triangle. In triangle, a triangle has 3 sides. All 3 sides are equal. See, 1, 2 and 3. All 3 sides are equal. Okay, children, see, this is square, 4 sides are equal. In rectangle rectangle, opposite sides are equal. These are the opposite sides. In triangle, all three sides are equal. Ma'am will send the photocopy of this also, children. Next, we'll go to circle. What is this? This is circle. Both sides, both curves if we join become circle. A circle is a shape bounded by a curved line. So in this one you learn no straight line, standing line, curved line. This is a circle. A circle is a shape. A circle is a shape bounded by a what? Curved line. Bounded by a curved line. Okay, children, this is square, rectangle, triangle and circle. Okay. Next, we'll go to page. I'll teach you one more zero. What is zero, children? That also I'll teach you. Look at the pictures about zero means fill in the blank with a suitable word. There is no one, there is nothing. These terms are represented by zero. Zero is written as zero is written as dash means you have to write this is 0. So number 0 denotes no objects. 0 has no value of its own. So about 0 I will teach you in the next class. Where all we'll use 0, there is no value of its own. There is no one, there is nothing, the term are represented by 0. 0 is written as like this type, as I showed you. Number 0 denotes no objects. 0 has no value of its own. Okay, children, this also I will teach you. Next, I will go with, look at the picture, write the correct number in the given shapes. About 0 only it is. What they are given, yes, see ma'am has written, I will send you this. Okay, children, what is there in the first picture? There is 2 houses here. One example I will write for you. There are how many houses here? 1 and one more here. There are 2 houses here. So while counting, how many houses here? 1, 2. So you have to write the number 2. And the down column nothing is there. That is 0. We will call it as 0. Again tortoise, there is only 1. Again in the down nothing. There is no only 1 tortoise. Here how many trees? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 trees are there. There are how many birds? See, only 2 houses. The tree is 0. There is no tree. There is only in the box you have write 2 houses. They are asking about tree. Tree is how much? So you have to write 0 for that. There is no tree, then it is 0. How many tortoises are there? Is there any bird there? Only 1 tortoise. So there is no bird, you have to put 0 for it. And we counted 9 trees and cup. There is cup here, they are given only the name, but there is no cup. So that is also 0 only. Again here, there are flowers are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the box, they are given fruits and flowers. Fruits, how many fruits are there? There is no fruits. So you have to write 0 for that box. There are five flowers, you have to write five flowers. And again balls and doll. There is how many dolls? We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in the dolls box you have to write 7. What about balls? Is there any balls there? So in that box you have to write 0. I'll send this children. Then again last, they are given pencil and pens. So this is there are only 3 pens there. Count 1, 2, 3. So in the pencil column there is nothing. And the pen 1, 2, 3. So you have to write 3 in that box. Like this only. What about the lesson 4? It is only about 0. So I will teach you in the next class, children. This and all. Try to learn what about the square has 4 sides. All sides of the square are equal. Rectangle, opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. All 3 sides of the triangle is equal. And a circle has a shape bounded by curved lines. So we learned how to learn curved line like this and like this. If we join both the curve, it becomes circle. In the next class regarding 0, I will give a few examples. 0 is written as, what is this? 0 only. So, okay children, in the chapter lesson 4 we will learn about 0. Bye children. See you in the next class.